In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp recurring tasks. Recurring tasks in ClickUp are useful when you have work that repeats on a regular schedule. This can include weekly meetings, monthly reports, daily check-ins, invoice reminders, content planning, maintenance tasks, or follow-up activities. First, open ClickUp and sign into your account. Go to the space, folder, or list where you want to create the recurring task. Then click New Task and enter the task name. For example, you might create a task called Send Weekly Report or Review Project Progress. Next, open the task and add any important details. You can include a description, checklist, assignee, priority, attachments, or comments. This is helpful because the same information can be reused each time the task repeats. After that, set a due date for the task. Click the due date field, choose the first date when the task should be completed, and then look for the recurring option. This may appear as Set Recurring, Repeat, or a similar option depending on your ClickUp layout. Now choose how often the task should repeat. You can usually select daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or create a custom schedule. For example, you can repeat a task every Monday every 2 weeks on the first day of each month, or after the previous task is completed. Next, decide when the recurrence should happen. Some tasks repeat on a fixed schedule, while others should repeat only after completion. If the task must happen on a specific calendar date, choose a fixed schedule. If the next task should only appear after you finish the current one, choose the option to repeat after completion. Then save the recurring settings. ClickUp will now recreate or reschedule the task based on the rule you selected. Before you finish, review the task to make sure the due date, assignee, and recurrence pattern are correct. This helps prevent duplicate tasks or reminders on the wrong date. Recurring tasks are a simple way to automate repeated work, stay organized, and make sure important routines are never forgotten. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.